Fish stands out as one of the most powerful dietary tools for supporting lifelong brain health, offering a rich source of long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, which are integral to the structure and function of neuronal membranes. DHA constitutes a major component of the cerebral cortex and retina, influencing synaptic plasticity, neurotransmission, and neuroinflammation, all processes critical to cognition, learning, and memory throughout life. Observational studies and clinical research increasingly link regular fish consumption with slower rates of cognitive decline, better working memory, sharper attention, and reduced risk of age-related neurodegenerative disorders, including Alzheimer's disease. Even modest, consistent intake, for example, 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week, has been associated with measurable cognitive benefits, highlighting fish as a practical, accessible, and natural strategy for maintaining mental acuity across the lifespan. Beyond DHA and EPA, fish provides high-quality protein, B vitamins such as B12 and niacin, selenium, and iodine, each of which plays a complementary role in brain function. B12 is essential for myelin formation, neurotransmitter synthesis, and DNA integrity, while selenium acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting neurons from oxidative stress, a key contributor to cognitive decline. Adequate protein intake supports neurotransmitter production and maintains metabolic function necessary for brain energy demands. The synergy of these nutrients makes fish an exceptionally concentrated source of cognitive supporting compounds, offering benefits for children, adults, and older individuals alike. In children and adolescents, sufficient omega-3 intake contributes to optimal neurodevelopment, attention regulation, and learning capacity, while in adults, it helps preserve executive function and working memory. In seniors, consistent fish consumption may slow age-related cognitive deterioration, support emotional regulation, and contribute to overall brain resilience. While the brain health benefits of fish are compelling, emerging environmental research has raised concerns about the presence of microplastics in seafood. Microplastics are small polymer particles found in oceans worldwide, and they are increasingly detected in fish tissue. The long-term human health implications of consuming microplastics remain largely unknown, with potential concerns including inflammatory responses, endocrine disruption, or interference with nutrient absorption. Current evidence is limited and mostly derived from animal studies, but the presence of these particles in seafood suggests that moderation, diversity, and mindful sourcing of fish are prudent. This is particularly relevant for populations relying heavily on seafood as a primary protein source, where cumulative exposure could be higher over time. To balance the cognitive benefits of fish with the emerging environmental concerns, consumers can adopt practical strategies. Choosing a variety of fish species, including small, fast-growing pelagic fish like sardines, anchovies, and herring, reduces exposure to both environmental contaminants and microplastics compared with larger, longer-lived predatory species. Rotating between different types of seafood, integrating plant-based omega-3 sources such as flaxseed, chia, walnuts, or algae-based DHA supplements, and including other protein options like poultry, legumes, or eggs ensures both nutritional adequacy and exposure mitigation. Purchasing seafood from reputable sources or certified sustainable fisheries further reduces the risk of pollutants and provides transparency regarding environmental practices. Preparation methods also preserve cognitive nutrients while supporting overall health. Lightly baking, steaming, or grilling fish maintains omega-3 content, B vitamins, and antioxidants while minimizing added fats or sodium. Incorporating fish into soups, stews, grain bowls, or salads increases variety, encourages consistent consumption, and provides additional plant-based antioxidants from vegetables, herbs, and legumes. Even small, frequent servings contribute significantly to cumulative omega-3 intake, which is particularly important for older adults and children in critical stages of brain development or preservation. Integrating fish into a broader, nutrient-rich diet maximizes cognitive benefits. Pairing fish with leafy greens, colorful vegetables, whole grains, and nuts delivers additional antioxidants, polyphenol, and B vitamins that support vascular health and reduce oxidative stress, both crucial for optimal brain function. These dietary patterns, combined with regular fish consumption, provide a comprehensive approach to lifelong cognitive resilience, emphasizing not only isolated nutrient intake, but also synergistic, whole food strategies. Despite the unknowns surrounding microplastics, the balance of evidence supports the inclusion of fish as a central part of brain-supportive diets. Consumers can enjoy the neuroprotective advantages of DHA, EPA, B12, and selenium while taking practical measures to diversify protein sources, source seafood responsibly, and moderate consumption of species with higher bioaccumulation potential. A mindful approach allows individuals to harness the remarkable cognitive benefits of fish while staying attentive to emerging environmental concerns and scientific gaps. In summary, regular fish consumption is strongly associated with preserved memory, enhanced cognitive function, and reduced risk of age-related neurodegenerative decline, making it a powerful dietary strategy for brain health at all stages of life. While microplastics in seafood present an emerging and incompletely understood risk, the overall nutritional advantages, especially from small, sustainable species, remain compelling. By diversifying seafood and protein sources, preparing fish in nutrient-preserving ways, and prioritizing safe, certified supply chains, consumers can confidently include fish in their diets to support cognitive resilience, mental clarity, and lifelong neurological health.